Goal. And the rope. Early lead is taken by Blue Chic by the rail. Moving up on the outside is Grand Game. And Diamond Luster in between horses. Winning Hand moving up now to take the lead. It's now Winning Hand in the lead. Diamond Luster and Blue Chic Sol Invictus and Grand Game on the further outside. Heading for the back stretch. It's Winning Hand by 3.5 lengths, followed by Diamond Luster in second, Sol Invictus, Grand Game, and Blue Chic is in the inside. And into the back stretch, Winning Hand by 2.5 lengths, followed by Diamond Luster on the outside in second, and Sol Invictus running in third by 2.5 lengths, Grand Game, Blue Chic moving up on the inside. The mid-back stretch, it is still Winning Hand by half a length, followed by Diamond Luster on the outside in second, Sol Invictus remains in third by 3.5 lengths, Blue Chic and Grand Game. Nearing the far turn, still Winning Hand by a length and a half. It's still Winning Hand, followed by Diamond Luster on the outside. Sol Invictus remains in third by 4.5 lengths, and Blue Chic moving up on the inside in Grand Game. The far turn, Winning Hand by delay. It's Winning Hand on the outside, Diamond Luster, and Blue Chic moving up on the outside to take third, Sol Invictus and Grand Game. And into the home stretch, it's Winning Hand by the rail and Diamond Luster on the outside. Blue Chic moving up on the farther outside. Sol Invictus by the rail. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line. Still Winning Hand in the lead. Followed by Diamond Luster and Blue Chic moving up on the farther outside. It's Winning Hand and Blue Chic moving up on the outside. Winning Hand by the rail. Blue Chic moving up on the outside. It's Winning Hand and Blue Chic moving up on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Blue Chic, Winning Hand, Sol Invictus, Diamond Luster, and Grand Game.
Okay. 1, 2, 4. Ating unofficial order of arrival.